Hello, this is Eric from the Stratford Public Library. Welcome to another edition of Make It Meetups. Steph and I have both been really missing you guys in the makerspace as it's been closed, but we've been super excited to be able to bring you all of the online content. Steph's been instrumental in helping get all of the content organized and uploaded, as well as wearing her other hat in the library, doing all the marketing and social media. So big shout out to Steph. Thank you so much for everything that you do. You're awesome. Today we're going to be creating dioramas and miniature worlds. Dioramas are small 3D scenes of a scene from a point in history, something from your head that you've thought up, and created out of anything that you can find at home. Dioramas are also used in museums to capture a snapshot in time that none of us would have been able to see. I'm going to take you into some miniature worlds in books to give you some inspiration for making your own dioramas. Author and illustrator Colin Thompson creates some amazing miniature worlds in places that you'd never think to look for them. The majority of Colin Thompson's illustrations are done by hand. In his more recent illustrations, he's used a combination of digital and hand-drawn elements. These two pages are from Colin Thompson's Looking for Atlantis. As you can see in the worlds that Colin Thompson creates, there's little elements stuck in every nook and cranny. This is Toys and Models by Rodney Coffey. He's an author and illustrator and uses dioramas as inspiration for the illustrations for his books. You can see he uses a combination of toys and everyday objects. This one has an egg carton in it. I believe that's a toilet paper tube. And here's another toilet paper tube. Is this giving you guys any ideas? And now it's time for Diorama-rama. This is Can You See What I See? Dream Machine. It's an I Spy book by Walter Wick. In this book, all of the dioramas that they've used are, and in most I Spy books, are everyday objects. So there's a chair right here and some blocks and toys, and it looks like a roadway into a cardboard city. And here you can see all the roofs and the buildings are made with corrugated cardboard. They've created sidewalks and a pencil for a signpost. There's a playing card right there. Here's rocket motors, and the roof on it's also made of corrugated cardboard. And here we have a tin can. Let's see what's in the inside of the garage is pretty awesome. And here's a futuristic city that's made with a whole bunch of everyday objects. I think I'm going to try and make a collage like this with you guys today. What type of miniature worlds would you like to create? I've created this one in a set of drawers in my living room. If you've created a miniature world with us today, share it with your friends and family. Take a photo and share it with us on social media. We'd love to see what you've created. And join us next Thursday at 2 o'clock for another Make It Meetup. Thanks so much. See you all later.